Did you know some animals have superpowers that even the Avengers would envy? From shape-shifting to invisibility, the natural world is full of creatures with unbelievable abilities. Let's dive into 10 incredible animal superpowers you won't believe exist. First up, the Immortal Jellyfish. This little guy can literally cheat death. When it gets old or injured, it can revert back to its younger form, essentially resetting its life cycle. It's the ultimate survival trick. Next, the Mantis Shrimp packs a punch so fast and powerful it can break through glass. It punches at speeds of 50 miles per hour, creating a shockwave in the water that stuns or even kills its prey instantly. The Cuttlefish is nature's shapeshifter. It can instantly change the color and texture of its skin to blend into its surroundings or communicate with other cuttlefish. It's like having a built-in invisibility cloak. The Electric Eel generates up to 600 volts of electricity, enough to shock and stun its prey or scare away predators. It's like having a built-in taser. Meet the Tardigrade, also known as the water bear. This microscopic creature can survive in space, boiling water, and even radiation. It's practically indestructible. The flying fish can glide above the water for up to 200 meters, evading predators with its flying abilities. It's like the fish version of an airplane. This tiny insect, the bombardier beetle, can shoot a boiling chemical spray from its abdomen when threatened. It's like carrying a mini flamethrower for self-defense. The axolotl has the amazing ability to regenerate entire limbs, parts of its heart, and even parts of its brain. Imagine being able to grow back any lost body part. It's the ultimate healing power. The pistol shrimp can snap its claws so fast that it creates a bubble reaching temperatures hotter than the sun's surface. This sonic boom stuns or kills its prey instantly. The lyrebird has the ultimate sound imitation superpower. It can mimic not only other bird calls, but also man-made sounds like chainsaws, camera shutters, and even car alarms. It's like having a superpowered voice recorder in the wild. And there you have it. 10 animals with superpowers straight out of a comic book. Which one amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible animal facts.